Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping requirements. List how many users, which sites, and peak bandwidth needs because that shapes architecture. Next, decide whether you need site-to-site tunnels between offices or client-to-site access for remote staff, and consider cloud-managed VPNs if you want less on-prem maintenance. Once you pick a protocol, OpenVPN, WireGuard, or IPsec, make the choice based on security, performance, and device support. Otherwise, you'll retry later and waste time. Now procure the server, buy a small appliance, or spin up a cloud instance sized for concurrent users. Install your VPN server software and set up authentication. Deploy a PKI for certificates or configure pre-shared keys for simpler setups. Once done, create user groups and assign policies, then configure routing and DNS so internal resources resolve correctly. Make sure to test access from one client before scaling, because that validates authentication and route propagation early. You deploy client profiles to users, enable multi-factor authentication, and automate provisioning to reduce errors. As people connect, monitor logs, concurrent sessions, and latency metrics so you can spot bottlenecks and scale servers or bandwidth. Once stable, freeze configuration, document onboarding and emergency rollback steps, and schedule backups and updates. If something breaks, check cert dates and firewall rules first. Those are the common culprits, and revert to your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.